Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Friday morning? It's the 28th day of October as we get ready for the last weekend in the month of October. I want to thank you for being here and watching this video this morning. There are many of you who start every day with this video, and it makes, for me, getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning worth it. In the weather headlines this morning, have you seen the new drought monitor map? I hope you're sitting down because it is not pretty. It is getting to be extremely serious. We'll look at the next rainfall opportunity on the horizon. When is that next front going to get here, and will it deliver any rain? Plus, have you put away the shorts and the t-shirts yet for the week, for the season? Well, you may want to get them out for the weekend. And if you're not heading to the fair, maybe a trip to the pool this weekend, not out of the question. We'll talk about the record highs and look ahead to some much cooler air on the not too distant horizon. All of that on your morning weather video, which starts right now. Let's start with the drought.
Look at that now. 73% of the state is in the severe drought or worse. That's a big escalation. And you see the Peach area there. Now at least all of the state is in a moderate drought. So this continues to escalate every week. It comes out every Thursday, the new drought monitor map, and no raindrops for the next few days. String of record high temperatures to add insult to injury here. The record for today, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday will be threatened, and I think we'll break records at least 2 or 3 of those days. Here's the record highs that could be threatened on Saturday across the South. Many areas could break records, and then on Sunday, more records will fall. So here we go. We end the month of October on a very hot note with the big heat ridge in the upper atmosphere. This is up at 20,000 feet, and that's suppressing rainfall, plus giving us the hot temperatures. So 87 today will be close to the record of 88. Tonight's low 57. Northeast winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. On the other hand, it's a good day for the fair. The fair opens late this afternoon. The fair will open, and it should be a great night for the fair and a great weekend. I'll see you out there. Sunny and hot and dry on Saturday. I think we easily tie or break the record Saturday and Sunday with high pressure nearby, and the winds will be light, and it's a T-shirt and, it's shorts and T-shirts. Monday, Halloween, high near 90 perhaps. I think it's possible with upper 80s each of the next few days and flirting with 90 on Monday and lows at night in the upper 50s. Just incredible weather for the end of November. But we will cool down the end of October, but we will cool down in November. More of that in just a moment. There's a little disturbance out there in the Western Caribbean that the National Hurricane Center is monitoring. A lot of showers and thunderstorms. It looks like that'll be going west into Central America, but this is an area we watch this time of the year. We'd love some of those raindrops because the drought emergency continues in effect for North and Central Alabama. Fire alert down in the southern counties. Don't forget, no burn order is in effect. And as we look at the European out 10 days, you see those blue bars there on the far right? Those are, it indicates a chance of showers as we get towards next weekend, the clock change weekend, maybe around Saturday perhaps. And the official quantitative precipitation outlook, rainfall potential, shows nothing over the next 7 days. This from WPC in Washington. But the European indicating that there could be a few scattered showers, maybe Friday night into Saturday. That's next weekend. So that's about 8 or 9 days out. On temperatures, we continue to see that next front next weekend would bring us much cooler temperatures, with temperatures scaling down into the 70s for highs and nights much cooler, according to the 15-day European outlook. Here's the American outlook now. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, again indicating starting next weekend, around Saturday or Sunday, clock change weekend, temperatures get much cooler, including some very cool mornings ahead. So hang on. November could show a big cool down after record highs this weekend.
So here we go, sailing into a last weekend in October with record high temperatures. You know that, Bailey? Record high temperatures, exactly right, yeah. And a severe drought, which is growing worse. Talk about spooky as we head into Halloween on Monday, right? This is exactly opposite from what we had last year with El Nino. Remember El Nino? Sure you do. I see you smiling. I hope you have a great weekend. There'll be another video for you on Monday morning, which is Halloween. I hope you enjoy the weekend. Maybe I'll see you out at the fair, huh? We'll be live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on NewsTalk 93.1 and on BAMA Country. And Bailey's always there at the station with me, right? And a live update from the Blue Water Weather Center at 11 o'clock this morning, RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. Are you ready to go for a walk, Bailey? Yes? I see that smile. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.